Good morning, birthday boy.
Oh, Mama.
You're 8 years old today. Happy birthday, Joshie.
Thank you.
Good morning, everybody from the City of Rocks. Today is a special day. Today is Joshua's 8th birthday. And all he wants is an ice cream cake and to play with some Legos and to go on the internet. Pretty simple, right? So that's all we're gonna do today. We're just gonna hang out. But what a better place to hang out than this place right here. So let's go find him an ice cream cake. Ice cream cakes. We found them, Joshie. We found them. You want this one?
Yeah, but I had that last one.
Whose birthday is it?
Mine. Cake delivery.
Cake delivery. All right.
So wait. Just let me put
Here, give me that. Ready? This is called a milkshake cake.
Wait.
Because it's a melted ice cream cake. Yeah, we better hurry up.
Okay, go. 1,
Ready?
2, 3, go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Joshua. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Did you make a wish?
You might as well serve this with cups.
Don't do it.
Spoon and cups.
Dude, just karate chop it.
Spoon and cups.
Mm-hmm.
How is it, Joshie? How is it, Joshie?
What?
You didn't even eat any.
Bam.
Are you eating, yes or no?
No. I'm not eating.
Check it out. We're at this desert botanical garden. Look at nice little walking path here. I got the A7 III with 85 millimeter, 1.4. 3, 2, 1. Nice. Keep going. Keep going. A little bit further. Yeah, almost there.
Hey, Daddy.
Keep going more and more.
Daddy, I buried one of the handles here. So it.
All right, go. Keep going. All right. Can you get me a water from the car? We are done. Let's go. Call it a day. We're gonna take showers and then go to sleep.
It's my birthday.
Happy birthday, Joshua!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Bro,
Happy-
birthday.
8 punches. 1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
All right. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.
It's not.